It is that time to roll up your sleeves. The new COVID vaccine will be available later this week. Of course, it is your choice on whether or not to get it, but it is recommended. The CDC signed off on the drug today, saying again that everyone aged 6 months and older should get vaccinated for the fall. The decision comes amid a steady rise in COVID hospitalizations this summer across the U.S. ABC's Tim Pulliam explains where you can get them.
This fall, Americans who want the new COVID-19 vaccine will have access, according to the CDC. The organization signing off on the updated vaccine with shots available later this week for everyone 6 months and older.
We'd all wish for COVID to be in the rearview mirror, but unfortunately it's still here. And what we know is that our immunity decreases over time. So even if you've had COVID before or been vaccinated, that immunity and that protection does decrease over time. Plus, what we're seeing is that this virus, the COVID virus, continues to change.
The president praising the CDC's announcement, saying, quote, "We now have immunizations for all 3 major seasonal respiratory viruses, COVID-19, flu, and RSV. I encourage all Americans to stay up to date on their vaccines." The CDC's decision this week comes as the nation experiences a rise in COVID-19 cases and a growing number of Americans being hospitalized.
What are your biggest health priorities at the CDC?
First and foremost, we're focused on these respiratory viruses. It's unfortunately the thing that is going to take a number of lives in the coming months, but we have the tools to protect ourselves.
Researchers say the new vaccine from Pfizer and Moderna will target current variants and can provide protection against severe disease and even death, especially for people who are elderly or have a weakened immune system. FDA leaders encouraging Americans to get the vaccine, writing, "The public can be assured that these updated vaccines have met the agency's rigorous scientific standards for safety, effectiveness, and manufacturing quality." Medical experts suggest consulting with your doctor to determine if the vaccine is right for you. Most should be able to get the vaccine for free regardless of whether they have insurance. Just reach out to your local healthcare center or pharmacy to see when they may have shots available. Tim Pulliam, ABC News, Los Angeles.